In this video, we'll guide you through the complete setup process for the Alledio Multi-sensor, from mounting and wiring to connecting it to the web app and accessing settings. Mount the sensor to the wall and remove the top cover. Make sure to check the marking on the back of the case to identify the correct top and bottom orientation. Proper alignment is important for accurate measurements. Carefully connect the wires. Start by connecting the Modbus communication cables, then attach the power supply wires. Ensure all connections are secure and tight. Once everything is connected, close the cover securely until you hear a distinct click, confirming that it is properly locked in place. For iOS devices, download the NF Connect Wi-Fi app from the App Store. For Android devices, no app download is required. Before continuing, ensure that NFC and Wi-Fi are enabled on your smartphone. They are usually on by default, but if not, please enable them manually. Unlock your phone and gently touch it to the bottom right corner of the sensor. A pop-up will appear on your screen. Tap the pop-up message to open the NF Connect Wi-Fi app. When prompted to connect the sensor to Wi-Fi, press Join. After the connection is successful, touch the sensor again. A new pop-up will appear. Tap it to proceed. You are now in the Alledio 3.0 web app in your default mobile web browser. Here, you can view the live readings of current values, adjust Modbus or BACnet communication settings, and configure offset values. Continue with the Modbus setup by defining the Modbus address, baud rate, parity, communication mode, number of stop bits, and termination settings. You can also browse the Modbus register list. Alternatively, you can enable a wired communication through BACnet MS-TP or a wireless communication via BACnet IP and configure the corresponding parameters to establish connection. You can also browse the BACnet object list. Before adjusting any offsets, allow the sensor to auto-calibrate for approximately 45 minutes. Once calibration is complete, set the offsets as needed and configure the present settings accordingly. Your sensor is now successfully set up and ready to deliver accurate, real-time data. To update your sensor's firmware, open the main menu, select Update Firmware. Tap on Connect to Wi-Fi to join a network. Then select your Wi-Fi SSID from the list, enter your password and tap Connect. Once connected, the sensor automatically checks for a newer firmware version. If an update is available, select Update Now to begin the installation. While the firmware is installing, do not disconnect power and do not close the web app. Once finished, the device will reboot and reconnect automatically. You'll then see a confirmation screen indicating the update is complete. If you need to return to the previous firmware, go to Main Menu, Update Firmware, and select the Rollback option. Confirm rollback and the device will restore the previously installed firmware and reboot. The sensor stays connected to Wi-Fi for 15 minutes, then automatically powers off. To manually disconnect the web app from the sensor, open the main menu and tap Disconnect. The device is now offline and can be reconnected. At Andivi, we recommend scheduling sensor recalibration at least once a year to maintain accuracy. Make sure to add a reminder to your calendar so it doesn't get missed during routine maintenance. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy the Alledio Multi-sensor experience.